Alright guys, it's the black again. I'm also here to do a breakdown of the trades I took this week. Despite it was a bad week for me. Despite it was a bad week for me, I still need to uh, put my head up and continue till it get better. Because at this point of my trading journey, I don't need motivation. I don't need any motivational speaker. It is only discipline that keep me going. Alright, so let's dive into it. So this week I only traded Euro USD. I traded Euro USD, and from my last video, which is the breakdown of the trades I took last week. So I show you what I was expecting on Euro USD. If you haven't seen it, check my page, you will see it there. On this zone here, there was another block here after this external low has been taken out. So I marked this zone here because it swept this internal my IRL. It swept it here. So that was the reason I was picking this zone. Right, I picked this zone here, and here was my IRL for that zone, and I think price was around here that last week when I said I'm dropping Euro USD from this zone. So when price get to that zone, so I moved down to my 15-minute time frame straight away. Right, so I moved down to my 15 minutes, and basically for me, I took just 2 trades this week, not because I just wanted to take, because I'm supposed to take 3 trades, but I think those two trades I took was the only clear trade I can see on the chart. That is why I entered them, but both of them ended up in losses. And the painful part is, after when they take me out, they will go straight to my direction. So this was the first trade. Price tapped on that zone, price tapped on that my precise zone. Then I see my CIS. My CIS was present around here, and liquidity has been taken out here. So after that, I saw this breaker block. After this breaker block, I entered the trade using this breaker block. The price took me out with just tiny wick. I was targeting 1:5. So that, if you can see it now, this 1:5. Let me change the color of this text. Yeah, so you can see it. That's 1:5. I was targeting 1:5. If I have known, I could have just adjust my TP this way, and then I'm 1:5 again, but it is what it is. So I get stopped out. On this trade, and can you see it went to my take profit? And so after that, I waited because I could not see any trade. In fact, I wanted to enter a trade from here. After this, you can see we also have this CIS here and liquidity sweep. I wanted to enter another trade from there. I want to enter another set from this zone. Well, I went back to my 3 hours my other time frame where I do normally pick my buyers. So, and I have my own way of trading. If my predicted zone refuse to break, like if I predicted a zone and price tap on that zone instead of that zone to push price to break structure, and price refuse to break structure, so I also have the system whereby we wait for price to take out that I call it a failure swing. So let me quickly show you what I mean by a failure swing. A failure swing is when after market sweep liquidity give you an engagement and price come back to tap on your zone, and instead of it to break structure, it didn't break structure. Just know that price is coming back to take both this low and this low out, then continuing that movement. So that was the that's my own method. That's my own method of trading when my predicted zone did not break structure. So that was the reason I didn't take that sell setup on this zone here, because it was a failure swing. It refused to break structure. So I didn't take it. I didn't take that trade. I'm expecting price to come and take out both all this high here, because they failed to do their work. So and that was when I marked this zone here. I think I marked it on the 4 hours because there was this breaker block here. So I said it because there was this video I posted today on TikTok. You can see it. I explained how I was expecting price to come and take out all this high and then continue to look for sales. So while I was waiting for price to take out those highs, that was when it's obviously that when price is price is going for a particular liquidity zone to be trending in that direction. So I moved to my 15-minute time frame. Initially, I picked this zone on 5 minutes. That was where I did the analysis. I saw this price swept liquidity around there, broke structure, another break of structure, kind of liquidity sweep around there. So I marked this breaker block. So that was the breaker block I marked. So I marked the breaker block on the 5 minutes. And can you see, price tapped on that breaker block and started moving my way. I started moving my direction. I think it gave me almost 1:2. It moved my way in 1:2. Then price come back, take me out, and boom, to my direction. Can you see? It is very hard. The game is very hard. I'm dropping all this, should I call it my journey, or for you people to see, because I believe one day I will get to that particular phase where I will be making money from this skills, and nobody should now come that time and start telling me I'm fake, I'm this, I'm blah 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 blah. Anyway, we keep going, we keep pushing, because like I said earlier, at this time I'm not expecting any motivation. I just need to keep my head up and keep going. It's not easy at all. So that's that for this week, because I'm not sure I'm taking any trade. I'm taking any trade anymore this Friday already. Because the price has already been rejecting from that zone. Price has been rejecting. So I'm still looking for more sales on Euro USD. I'm looking for more sales on Euro USD. So I'm selling till I take out this low here. I'm selling till I take out this low. So after that low, I will now wait if Euro USD is still going to continue the sell, or we change movement. Maybe it will start buying by that time. But for now, this is what I can see. I'm still looking for more sales. I'm still looking for more sales. And I think that's that for that. And my group is still open. I'm not charging any, because honestly I'm still learning, right? I'm still learning myself. So I'm not charging. I just, like, if you want to join my WhatsApp group, just DM me. I'll just add you there. I only drop just insights. I don't drop signal because I don't think I can join signal. I can drop signal for now, because I'm even in the losing streak. Last week I took 3 trades, 1 TP and 2 SL. That last week was even very good, because after risking 1% of my account, I still have I was out last week with 3%. Yeah, 3%. But this week now I've collected 2% from me again. This week I've collected 2% from me. But it continues next week. I can see people saying it is the market condition. So I'm praying that the market condition should be settled, because I don't know. I don't know what else to say. So that's that for that, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. So I need your comments. I need you to comment, because maybe there was a place I made. You see a mistake I'm not seeing. You can just comment and tell me this is your mistake. This is what you did. And like I said, I'm still learning. So if you correct me, I won't be arrogant to listen to correction. So that's that for that. Thank you very much.